Hello class, good morning. So class, this is your English class and today we are going to learn cursive letter E and F. Okay, till now we have learnt cursive small letter A to D, A, B, C and D. Today we are going to learn letter E. Okay, so for that you have to take out your cursive book, page number 21. And you have to practice letter E. See, this is cursive letter E, small cursive. And see how does it start and how do we write it. So we started from here, we go little up, okay, and we stop here. And from here we make a curve and return back, making a loop, crossing this point like this, and we come up to here and stop. Again we start from the bottom, we have to go a little up, and from here we have to stop because we have to make a loop, we have to make a curve, and crossing this point we have to go this way, little up and stop. So let us start. Let us trace. Now see. Start from here. Move up. From here you have to stop. Don't have to touch the second line. You have to stop here itself, then you have to touch the line, forming a curve and crossing it here, intersecting it here, you have to come up to here, letter E. So from here start, come up to here, stop, don't touch the second line, यहाँ पर एक कर्व फॉर्म करेंगे एंड फिर जैसे आप सी के लिए कर्व बनाते हैं वैसा ही. It's really very easy. See here, just go up, stop here, make a curve of C as you write in print, letter C. That means this is letter E. You have to go little up, stop here, make a curve and then come writing letter C. This is letter E, cursive letter E. Likewise, you have to trace all the letters. Okay. Now after, when you will trace this, how will you practice here it in the blank space that I am showing you. Okay, for this also you need 2 points. 1, 2 in a slanting manner. Okay, and how you have to write with the help of these points. See, you don't have to go directly to this point. इस पॉइंट पे डायरेक्टली नहीं जाना है, घुमा कर आना है. दैट मीन्स थोड़ा सा और स्लैंटिंग होना है. ऐसे आएंगे, यहाँ पर स्टॉप होना है जैसे मैम ने बोला था. फिर इस लाइन को ऐसे टच करना है. यस, दिस इज लेटर ई. कम, टच दिस पॉइंट लाइक दिस, ई. That means you don't have to touch the point directly. You have to touch the point when you will take a curve. Like this. This is letter E. Okay? So likewise you will practice here also in these two lines. So likewise you have to practice up to the marked points. Now turn the page and practice letter F. For letter F, it seems difficult but it is not difficult. Difficult लग रहा है लेकिन difficult है नहीं. See here what you need to do. जैसे आप स्मॉल स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं वैसे ही आपको लॉन्ग स्लैंटिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. You have to go up to the first line and see this line is slanting but this line will be a little standing. You have to go up to line number 4. Then as you are doing in B, जैसे आप B में करते थे एक बास्केट बनाते थे, but here you have to intersect this curve up to here and then you have to come back. Okay, see here, slanting up, standing down, touch the fourth line, go up to this point, crossing these two lines and then you have to come back like this. So B and F seems to be the same but they are not same. Slowly you have to practice, then only your letters will come up beautiful. So likewise you have to trace and then you have to write on your own. Okay, after tracing you have to practice in these rule lines. Okay, and how you will practice? You have to give 2 points first year and the second year that will be in the slanting manner. And how you have to write F? Go slanting up, take a loop, it will be standing, touch the fourth line and after that you have to go like this and come like this. F. Go slanting up, come standing down, touch the fourth line, then touch the second line like this and then come back. Letter F. Slanting, standing, fourth line, make a loop, touch the second line. This is letter F. So likewise you have to practice letter F. See how smoothly and slowly I am writing letter F. This comes up very beautiful when you write slowly and carefully. So likewise today you need to practice letter E and F. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.